This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Suehilton. Suite, petite, affordable home located in over 55 Bellingham community of Lincoln Mobile Estates near shopping, I-5, and on busline. Wood-burning fireplace, vinyl windows, updated wiring and plumbing, carport, covered deck. Handicap accessible entry ramp and front door. Small yard is just the right size for outdoor seating in a small garden. Perfect for snowbirds or year-round living. Pet friendly, with restrictions. Portable AC unit included. Park criteria for approval includes good credit and income. 3x space, rent of $874. For more information, review the details below or contact Suehilton at 360-734-7500.